This is Novo 2020 Shop Eye channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City North. My brother, how do you feel about the game today?
Very tough game as expected. It's the first game of the season, MTN.
Yeah.
As Sundowns fans, we know that when we come to MTN, we start like this. We've been knocked out so many times in the first games. But today, I realize that no, there are changes. But the coaches have already said that no, they'll change the system. But I was not happy because I could see that no, the guys are struggling. I don't know, during friendly games, they couldn't put together the system they wanted to play, because it seems as the system that they want to introduce, it will give us a problem, especially because we normally used to have a hybrid center back with River Kutse. We normally used to play in front of it can be Lubusa or Mvala. But today it seems as he was on the side, and then it's like the Polokwane City, they were putting the ball on his side so that they can use pace. They could see that he's struggling. But second half they tried to change, but then come red card, and then they have to change again. Lubusa has to be a goalkeeper, and then it exposes again Kute. But at the end, we know that we have to expect something like this, because when you change from a 3-5-2 to 4-4-2, then you will struggle in first few games, because normally we are used to playing triangles, but first half, second half, we didn't have triangles. But after scoring a goal, then maybe it's because of confidence. Then they started playing those triangles, and then we were relaxed at least that no, at least now we are playing our normal football. So maybe the coach's mistake is like they are trying to change to what Roland was doing. It's very wrong, because if Roland was winning, he reached two finals, local cups here. Yes, we lost against Pirates, but to reach a final,
it's something big.
It's something big, because anyone can win a final.
As long as they don't try to change everything that Roland
man, it looks like they're trying to change everything. But I think, man, it's not looking good if they will try and change everything. Even the substitution, it's a cup match.
Exactly.
Cup match, you expect extra time. You can't make many changes before 90 minutes. They should have at least made 3 changes and at least leave two substitutes for later stages, of the game.
No, thank you very much, my brother. All the best in the semi-finals. Hopefully, you're gonna come back.
Maybe they will learn. The technical team will learn from what happened today, and then they'll do game analysis, and see what happened.
No, thank you very much, my brother. All the best.